Howdy, howdy, and hey, y'all, it is Allie back here with Creators Spicy Tea, and we have a brand new spicy Telegram resource. I tried to make that sound the same. It did not work. We tried though. Today, we are going over something that mother trucking revolutionized an aspect of my client management and my content delivery. And that is how to use Telegram groups to store, organize, and deliver your pre-made content, such as like pre-made videos, pre-made photo packs, etc., through Telegram to your clients on Telegram. Okay, that doesn't sound that revolutionary, right? Because, hello, we've all been doing that. Especially us direct selling girlies and guys and theys and them e's, right? But you know how long it takes those Telegram videos to upload, right? Or the videos to upload to Telegram? It takes some good time. I'm talking a good 5 to 10 to 15 minutes depending on that file size and, your connection and if Telegram is having a tantrum that day, right? So, what if you could take that 5, 10, 15 minutes and instead turn it into 0.5 seconds? For every client who ever buys that piece of content. Y'all, I have videos that come out to like 3 to 4 gigabytes of size because I'm doing like 30, 45 minute, hour-long videos, right? Let me tell you, an hour-long video, she's an undertaking. Good God. But it used to take so much time, especially for these larger videos, to upload and deliver to my clients when they would order them. And then, you have to either pull them from your device or download them from whatever cloud storage you use. It's a pain. We're going to take that away. We're going to get rid of that process. We're going to clean her up. And we are going to do a step-by-step tutorial, a screen recording tutorial on how we, as spicy adult content creators, can use Telegram groups with topics to deliver that content instantly. Upload once, forever be able to send it off. Y'all, told you, revolutionized. And cut down my wait time like no one's business. Do you know how much more I can get done in that amount of time instead of waiting there with the window open, waiting for it to upload? Y'all. Okay, so what do you say? We switch devices, we tolerate the fact that the audio is about to get terrible, and we do a tutorial on how to set up and how to utilize Telegram groups for delivering pre-made content to our buyers. Alrighty, y'all. So the very first step, we need to obviously be in Telegram, right? So once you are logged in, you're in your profile, you're going to go ahead and go down here to the pencil. You're going to click the pencil, and you're going to go straight up to new group. You're going to give that a click. Now, once you're in new group, it's going to ask you to add people. Here's the deal. You don't have to. You can just go right down here to the arrow. I highly suggest that. This is going to be a private folder for you to store your content. Not really many other people need to be in there unless it's like your assistant or your secondary account to protect your content in case your primary account goes down. Then you're going to go ahead and enter a group name. Once you have that going, make sure this is off. You do not want these messages to be deleted. You can add a logo for easier clarity to snag it. And then you're just going to click the check. Alrighty, you have your group made up. Now we're going to make her a bit more robust. You're going to click on her title, and that's going to open her menu. Then you're going to click right here on the pencil again. And now we're going to play with her settings. So your group type, you want to make sure it's private, of course, but let's click in that. Restrict saving content. We absolutely do not want this on. Right in our Telegram channels where we have our subscribers, we need that on. But here, we need to be able to forward content. We need to be able to copy it. We need to be able to do that, right? So make sure that's off. Make sure it's private. Then you're going to go to topics right here, and you're going to click that on. And then that is all you really have to do in here to get her set up and going. Click the check mark And then you might need to click out of her and then click back in to get the topic menu on the side here, but these are your topics you're going to have. So let's just really quick take a peek at how I have my actual pre-made content group set up. And here we are. So I have it labeled pre-mades, and I have it segmented by the fetish type or the content type. So we have boy, girl, all of these words that I cannot say. So this is just a quick example of what your topics could look like for your actual pre-made content. Back over in our group we just made, let's take a look at how to make those topics. You're going to go down here to this little chat button and you're going to click it. Then you're just going to label your topic and hit create. And once it's created, then what we need to do is we need to upload our content. I know, y'all, I said this is going to streamline everything and it's going to go so fast, but there is just one time you have to upload the video. Instead of having to re-upload it per buyer who buys the content, you only have to upload it one time. So I'm in the video topic, so I'm going to upload a video here. And I can't open my gallery in front of y'all because, you know, YouTube might send hitmen. So I can't do that because my gallery is disgusting. So I'm going to be right back with my video chosen. Alrighty, I have my video chose. Now something super important to keep in mind. When you click your video to upload it, in the thumbnails there is this little circle that you can click to upload. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because you need to open to this menu right here down at the bottom of the screen. You want to go to where it says 1080 HD 720, wherever it says. You're going to want to make sure that this quality slider is set to the highest possible quality you can. What we're going to do is we're going to upload her and then we're going to go back and look at how we can further organize her. If you can see right here, she's 3.57 gigabytes. Holy moly. And looking here, it's 7 p.m. So I'm going to touch base with you guys back when she's uploaded. 7 p.m., 3.57 gigs. Here we go. Hey y'all, just checking in. It's 7:08, so it's been about 8 minutes, and we are at 3.03 gigabytes loaded. I'll be back when we are fully loaded, y'all. Okay. 51 minutes has been uploaded and it is 7:11. So that took 11 minutes flat to upload. But she is in our channel or in our group, which means we are never going to have to re-upload her. But let's look now at a little bit more on the organization side. So what we're going to do is, if you did not add your hashtags or your caption before you uploaded, like I didn't, tap next to it and tap edit. And then you can just add in your captions. So this video was about Instagram. We're going to just send that off like that. And as you can see, now it is underlined. So now one of the best features of this, let's say you have like 60 videos in your topics, like I do. Well, maybe not 60, but it feels like it. And you need to find a specific fetish or a specific content theme. If you have hashtagged your content that way, you can go to the three-dot menu, hit that, you can hit search, and then you're just going to type in Instagram, and it will only pull up the videos with Instagram. Or what you could do is you can click the hashtag, and it will pull up this group with everything hashtagged Instagram, right? So I have so many clients come to me and say, well, I don't know what I want from your pre-made menu, but I know I like X, Y, and Z, and W, and V, and U. It's a little bit of trying to put a puzzle together, but being able to just search these keywords or these hashtags has made it so much easier to help match my clients with the content that they don't even know they want, but I know they want. So once we have it loaded, finally loaded up and ready to go. Now, if a buyer had requested to purchase that video, right, that would have then taken you 11 minutes to upload it to them. But let's say you upload it to your group here. Now we want to send it to the
client. What we're going to do is you're going to tap again next to it, and then you're going to hit forward. Once you hit forward, your list of chats will pop up. And then you can select the specific chat you want to forward this video to. I'm going to send it right here to myself, so then we're not done. We should not just send it off from here, specifically if you have added captions. That's very important, like those hashtags. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to this arrow with the little settings icon, and we're going to click that. Now, once this has popped up, the best practices that I have seen is to hide sender name, hide caption, and always click apply changes or it won't stick. We're going to click apply changes. Okay, now if we remember, that took 11 minutes to upload, right? Now we're going to forward it and let's just count how many minutes it takes. Bam, minutes are done. It genuinely has made my content distribution so much more efficient. And as you can see, when you send it to the consumer, it doesn't have those hashtags that we do have here as long as we remove them.
Isn't that awesome, y'all? I'm just saying, when somebody had mentioned to me using their saved messages for doing this, here's the thing, I did that for a good long period of time, but I'm an organized girly. Everything needs to be in its place. Type A out the ass over here. So this groups with topics, with hashtags, just, she sings to me, y'all. She sings to me. So I hope that this was at least somewhat understandable, that I explained it somewhat clear enough. And I genuinely hope it can help y'all streamline your content delivery and your organization as well. Alrighty, y'all. This was once again Allie here with Creator Spicy Tea, and I goddamn hope you are so safe, so sane, and you can either be flourishing or thriving. I forgot along the way which one I started with, and I think I just mix them up interchangeably now. So, flourish and thrive, y'all.